In this video, I'm going to show you how you can master the art of carousels. First, you need to head to Carousel Generator on the left here. Then, you have several choices. Either you use a URL, it can be, for example, your own website, a YouTube video, really anything, or any idea to help our AI to create the content of the carousel. For the example, I will go with the YouTube video. I found this one, 5 product management frameworks you should know, that is pretty cool to me. So I'm going to just copy and paste the URL over there and click on Generate Carousel. Now, in less than 10 seconds maybe, it took the content of the YouTube video and created my carousel. It's as simple as that. I didn't do anything else, and it's what it generated. So 5 frameworks every product team needs. Okay, that looks nice. Then 5 pages, the TASI product management technique, OKRs, GIS planning, the 4Ds, working backwards. So it seems that it worked, like 5 product management frameworks, and I have 5 pages, so it's pretty nice. I can, of course, modify a ton of things on these pages. For example, if I want, I can drag and drop an image. So I'm going to add, let's say, this image for the example. It's going to upload the image, and I can decide on the ratio, if I want the image to be bigger, if I want to position it on top, if I want to position it on the bottom. All these kind of things you can explore and just do what's better for you. You can even change the content using our AI clicking on these buttons. And of course, you can adapt the theme if you want. We have a lot of color palettes that you can go from and go with. You can use your own custom palettes. You can also change the background effects like blur and scribble, blurs 1, 2, 3, tons of examples. You can change the fonts. It's really, really super powerful. And I guess in maybe less than 5 to 10 minutes, you would have a carousel ready to go. Starting from there, you can just then click on create posts, and you're good to go.